Hey guys, this is I'm a Genius, and this is part 3 of the fasting series I was doing. So if you missed part 1 or 2, check the description below and I'll put in a link for both of those. If not, then continue on watching this one. So this is the beginning of day 5. And I would say overall, this has been a fairly smooth fast for a first time trial. I'll give you guys a full analysis at the end of the video, pictures of progress from the beginning to end, in terms of body composition. Wish I would have done some sort of blood work before and after, but I did not. So stay tuned till the end of the video and I'll give you guys updates on that and overall thoughts. But one thing I wanted to mention was I am still continuing to take salt and magnesium. Both of those have been helping out. Sometimes I'll feel a little like low in energy. I'll take just salt by itself, like I said in the last video, and magnesium. And I feel a lot better pretty quickly. Also, last night, I took calcium, and I didn't put that in the video, but I will not be repeating calcium because the pills I had upset my stomach. So yeah, I'm not going to do that again, but I'm still continuing the magnesium and the salt as I go along, and I'll keep you guys updated for the last few days. Might be ending tomorrow, might be ending 2 days from that. So tomorrow's Friday. I might just want to end from the beginning of the weekend, or I might hold it off till Sunday. We'll see. So stay tuned. And I thought I was going to just end the fast yesterday, but then all of a sudden, randomly, I felt like had like a sudden jolt of energy. Hunger went away after like those 4 hours. Don't know what caused it or anything like that, but I felt great after that. Barely could get to sleep. I went to bed at like midnight, and energy levels was crazy where I could barely sleep. Woke up probably after 7 hours of sleep, so roughly normal sleep schedule. Feel good now. Not hungry yet. It is 8 in the morning. Probably gonna end the fast today, just because it's Friday. Slight chance I go to tomorrow, but probably not. We shall see. The plan is when I do exit the fast, from what I read online, you're supposed to ease into food and eat better food. We'll see how that goes, because I might eat healthier to start, but in terms of eating less like it says online, I don't think that's going to happen. I'll probably eat a big meal. They say online it's some safety reason with your stomach to not like have a big meal right after the fast because it shrunk or something. But I don't know, if you think about like our ancestors, when they only could eat every I don't know, whenever they ran into food, say if it was 14 days or whatever, I'm sure they pigged out on whatever they could whenever they could, and they were fine. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated along the day, but progress is going well, and probably gonna end it today, more than likely. See you guys. Hey guys, it's mid-afternoon, about 4 o'clock, day 5. I know in the previous video I said I might end the fast today, and I was originally thinking of doing it at noon, but I felt really good. Best day of the fast so far, tons of energy. Went outside, did a lot of things, did a lot of errands and stuff like that, but been moving around, carrying stuff. I think I'm still gonna wait till tomorrow. Reason being, I try to test out my arm a little bit to see how it's recovering, and it definitely improved a ton, but it still slightly hurts in a specific spot, so I'm gonna probably wait it out one more day and end the fast tomorrow and go past little in between 5 and 6 days, somewhere in that range, and probably call it quits. But yeah, like I said, I'm definitely in ketosis, if you know what that is, and body's feeling great, energy levels are great, no dizziness, no headaches at all. Yeah, so I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Good morning, guys. Day 6 weigh-in. see what we got here. 157 even. Alright. I'm going to go do a final fasting progress video. I'm gonna do it quietly because the roommates are still sleeping. It's like 7 a.m. on a Saturday. Hey guys, what's up? Wanted to get out of the apartment because the roommates are still sleeping. Saturday early. Got woken up from the girlfriend a little earlier than I wanted to. So yeah, I'm up now. It's into day 6. It's not 6 full days of fasting. It wouldn't be till 8 p.m. But I'm gonna end my fast. Actually, kind of just ended it with some kombucha. So, I mean, it's not a true meal or food or anything like that, but it's the end of the water fast, and as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm gonna go back and eat some food. I'm gonna try to eat healthier right off the bat, and I'll go from there. But yesterday was the best, by far the best day of the fast. Had tons of energy. Walked around a lot, did a lot of errands, cleaned the apartment, bunch of stuff, just was super active. Still was up till like 1 a.m. Like I'm saying, tons of energy. So I would say day 4 into day 5, and even now I still have a ton of energy and I feel absolutely great. So I feel like there's a point where your body's gonna switch fully into using fat, and you'll just know, and you feel great, and the hunger subsides. I mean, I still have no hunger now, but I'm just gonna end the fast because it basically did what I'm trying to do. I haven't tested my arm out this morning since it's still a little early. I'm gonna give it a go a little bit later, but I think I did what I could in terms of fasting to heal it. So I'll update that in the next video. As of yesterday, it still wasn't 100%, but I didn't always expect it to be absolutely 100% in just 5 days from this fast. Little recap on the overall progress. So days 1 through 3, I had a little bit of dizziness, a little bit of tiredness. Took a nap in the afternoon 2 of those days, but that was minor. As well as day 4, I had a little bit of hunger for a few hours, but I think after that hunger subsided on day 4, my body fully switched into feeling phenomenal, having a lot of energy, and just not feeling hunger at all. So I think after a little bit, and as you saw this morning, weight didn't drop much from the past few days, even though yesterday I moved around a ton. And what did I weigh in? I think 157.0 versus Monday was 165. And I think even the Sunday before I filmed this, I was at 167. But just going from 165, that's 8 pounds. Which isn't that much. A lot of it's just food not being in the system. So we'll see what my weight stabilizes to by the end of the video in like a week. Anyway, I'm gonna go break my fast with some actual food. I'm gonna go make a little, I don't know, something with veggies, kind of restore the gut microbiome a little bit. And I'll check in with you guys in a few days and give you a little bit more updates and insights. Everything's gone well, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the weight of day 1 through day 12 of the fast. Started at 165.6 all the way down to a lowest of 157 on day 5, and then the day after the fast 158. Here day 12 of basically a week after the fast, my weight went back up to 160. And even now in October, which we're 2 weeks after the fast, I'm at like 161. And here you'll see in a second the weight in a graph form. So you can see all the way up through October. The first left point is the day prior to the fast. The second point from the left is the second day of the fast. Here's the first meal I had, quite healthy like I had mentioned. And here is a couple photos of the sushi meal, the first big meal I had after the fast had ended. Just wanted to recap with you guys here. Like I said before, there were some struggles to it, but I recommend using the supplements I had mentioned before, magnesium and salt. Overall, this is very beneficial. Now we are 2 weeks past the end of the fast, and my arm is basically back to normal. So it healed what I was going for, as well as I think this fast taught my body to just not feel hunger at certain times of the day, kind of have steadier energy, no swings in mood or anything like that. This is after the fact of going through the fast and now being able to eat. So I think it is very beneficial, and I probably will do this again in the future. And I recommend it to you guys if you have some type of injury that might benefit from this. So yeah, that's that. If you guys have further specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.